We're completely emptying your backpack. Yes, every single pocket, even the one you forgot existed. Pull out everything left from last year. You'll be amazed what turns up in there. Nobody talks about this part, bestie, but this is where the real difference happens. Check every zipper, not just the main one. Test every pen and highlighter, too. Half of mine always look full, until I actually try writing with them. Remove every random wrapper, old receipt, and crumpled tissue hiding at the bottom. And don't forget to wipe down the straps. They collect more dirt than you'd think. Once it's clean, pack it with intention. Start with the essentials: notebooks, your pencil case, a water bottle, and your school ID or bus pass. Then add a small emergency pouch. Mine has saved me more times than I can count during long school days. If you want even more backpack organization tips and school bag essentials, I made a whole video just about that. So definitely check it out after this one. One last thing, put your backpack on. Does it actually feel comfortable? If it already feels heavy in your room, imagine carrying it around school all day. Take out anything you don't really need during the first week.